People often think that glasses are just an accessory, but for millions of people, glasses are something they depend on each and every single day to function normally. Hi, this is Dr. Shruti, and let's today talk about what people with glasses wished people without glasses understood about them. Glasses aren't fashion statement, they are a basic necessity. Removing glasses doesn't mean just blurry distance vision. It means not able to recognize faces clearly, unable to read, unable to drive, unable to do basic daily activities. Losing glasses can mean loss of independence. One of the biggest fears of spectacle users is breaking the glasses or misplacing them or even changing the glasses. Imagine when you have lost your glasses, you're looking for something that is required to see and search for that same thing. Terrible, right? Foggy lenses are annoying. Rain, humidity, AC, steam, face mask, almost every other thing can fog up those lenses. Sports and physical activities become difficult with the glasses, and thick glasses can also affect the self image and confidence of children and teenagers. They start avoiding social gatherings, they avoid photographs just because they become too conscious of those thick glasses. So please try not to mock or make fun of children, especially children, because if they don't wear glasses because thinking people may make fun of them, that will affect their vision in the long term, for their life for that matter. People with glasses often hear unhelpful suggestions like, "Oh, your power increased again? Can't you remove your glasses naturally? Or can't you get a surgery done? Oh, so you see phone a lot. That's the reason your power is increasing." All these comments may seem casual, but they are emotionally tiring over a period of time. Glasses in reality represent adaptation and strength. People with glasses adapt every single day. In spite of their visual challenges, they read, they write, they travel, they create, they try to live their life fully. Glasses aren't a weakness, they are a super tool that help us see the world clearly. So, next time when you meet someone wearing glasses, try to remember that there are many struggles you may never notice. A little bit of understanding, kindness, and empathy can make our living better in this world. Thank you. Take care.